Oh my god, this is one of the best wheelchairs in the world, featuring the best possible design. Let me introduce you to the Zippie IRIS, a wheelchair designed to adapt, support and grow with your child. 1. The frame grows as your child grows. No need to replace the chair every year. 2. The material is strong but super light. You can fold it, lift it and carry it easily. Perfect for daily routines and travel. 3. Every part is customizable. Brakes, cushions, armrests, leg rests and wheels can all be selected to fit your child's specific needs. 4. The frame and the wheelchair parts adapt to different body shapes. If your child has a unique posture or limb difference, this wheelchair is designed to adjust to provide proper support. 5. It uses rotation in space technology for offloading weight. The seat rotates while maintaining your child's position stable, making it ideal for kids with tight muscles or reduced head control. 6. We bring Iris straight from Sunrise Medical, a trusted name worldwide. This chair is reliable, proven and ready for you. Zippie IRIS is now reaching more families in India. For this wheelchair, contact Scoot now.